SOLIDWORKS is a bit like doing a practical job with someone that understands what you're doing.
Once we started using SOLIDWORKS, it's very straightforward. It's all there for you. You can just use it.
Certainly from our point of view, the ease of use, the guys quickly got used to the software, and then it became an invaluable part of what we do and how we do it.
One thing you don't need to be concerned about is the reliability of the software.
SOLIDWORKS is so good on the engineering side. All these things that are set up for an engineer going into production, we found really strong on the SOLIDWORKS side of things.
The reason SOLIDWORKS is so powerful for us is that you can go straight from that to something like a 3D printer and just get it knocked up literally in the span of an hour.